Hi Joseph, please take a look at the version 1.3. Here in the sales tab, you can select whatever sheet you want from the drop down. After selecting for the sheet from the drop down, the location also updated based on the column B. So I have also added calendar pickup here. You can see you can write down easily. Also, there is a dynamic floating effect also going on here. When you write down, the caption moves up. It is easier for you to actually identify which you are typing. Further, I have added a clear button here, and it is also a search. When you write down a query, um, it will filter out the results for you. Once you select whatever result you want, it will be showing you in the sheet as well. So let us move on to the second sheet. Here you will have the same search button um, where you can find and filter out the results. Now uh, you can write down whatever you want, and you can also select the date from the pickup. And I have added the submit feature here. So as soon as you press the submit button, the values from these input boxes will be submitted to the sheet. So let me know if all of this is going well at your end.